Hello traders. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Forex Trend Indicator for MT4 and MT5. Focus on how the indicator plots colored bars in a separate window, what the blue and red bars imply about trend strength and direction, and how the SSP, Kmax, and CountBars settings shape its behavior. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports, and there we have it. As you can see, the Forex Trend Indicator appears in its own sub-window below the main price chart, plotting a row of color-coded bars that switch between blue and red depending on the detected trend. Blue bars indicate bullish trend conditions, visually highlighting periods when the indicator's calculations show buyers in control. Red bars indicate bearish trend conditions, highlighting periods when selling pressure dominates according to the same internal trend logic. As price evolves, sequences of blue bars show sustained uptrends, sequences of red bars show sustained downtrends, and frequent alternation between colors signals more choppy or indecisive market behavior. Because the bars are derived from high and low price data filtered through the SSP and Kmax parameters, the display aims to emphasize meaningful directional phases rather than every minor fluctuation. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. The SSP sets the smoothing or look back period the indicator uses when scanning recent highs and lows, affecting how quickly the bars change color versus how smooth the trend display appears. Kmax controls a key threshold used in the internal trend strength calculation, influencing how strong the underlying move needs to be before the indicator paints bullish blue or bearish red bars. As for the count bars define how many historical bars the indicator processes and displays, determining how much trend history you can see in the sub-window at once. As for who is for, the Forex Trend Indicator is aimed at traders who want a straightforward color-coded trend filter that sits beneath the main chart and helps them quickly see whether conditions are predominantly bullish, bearish, or choppy. It can be useful for both intraday and swing traders who like to confirm direction with a dedicated trend window before considering setups on the main price chart. The indicator is an analytical tool only and does not execute or manage trades on MT4 or MT5. As with any trend-based bar display, very sensitive SSP and Kmax values can cause rapid color flips in sideways markets, while very conservative values may respond more slowly to new moves, so it should be tuned carefully and combined with price action and risk management rather than used in isolation. The download link for the Forex Trend Indicator for MT4 and MT5 is in the description below. You can read the full article and see chart examples on the Forex Geek website. If you'd like more videos on color-coded trend filters and confirmation tools, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.